This conference will now be recorded.
Sorry, good afternoon. We got two answers. Okay. So the question is, if 3 men or 6 women can do a piece of work in 16 days, in how many days 12 men and 8 women do the same piece of work? Right? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there will be a comparison between number of men, number of women, or number of men, number of boys. ಈ ತರ comparison ಇರುತ್ತೆ. First you should take how many men are equal to how many women. Right? So you see this, you get two words, one is or and one is and. If you see the word or, that means 3 men and 6 women are working separately, means either 3 men are working or 6 women are working, they are not working together. When you see the word and means 12 men 8 women both are working simultaneously, right? So that is the difference between or and the word and. Right, here the statement is 3 men or 6 women can complete a piece of job in 16 days. Right, which means either 3 men can do it in 16 days or 6 women also can do it in 16 days. Means the time taken by 3 men and 6 women is same. Right? Which means, can we say that the capacity of 3 men is equal to the capacity of 6 women? The 3 men ಎಷ್ಟು time ತಗೋತಾರೆ, 6 women also taking the same time. That means the capacity of 3 men is same as the capacity of 6 women. Right? Then if 6 men capacity is equal to 3 men capacity is equal to 6 women capacity, then 1 man capacity equal to how many women capacity? Then 1 man equal to how many women we can take? If 3 men equal to 6 women, then 1 man equal to how many women? So we can take it as 2 women. 1 man is equal to 2 women. Right? Now you use the simple concept of men days, like m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Now take this. Now the question is, 12 men and 8 women can do it in how many days? Right? So 12 men and 8 women means plus 8 women. Now convert all these men and women to men, or convert everything to women. Right? In what way we can take, if you are converting all to men? Convert women to men. See, men I'll keep it as it is. 12 man capacity, I'm taking it as 12 men plus 8 women equal to how many men? In the place of 8 women, how many men I can take? You're getting my point? 8 women equal to how many men? 4 men, right? Because we have this data, 2 women equal to 1 man. So 4 women equal to 8 women equal to 4 men. Now 12 men plus 4 men is equal to 16 men. Right? Means the capacity which we are finding is of 16 men. Now you take the data of men. 3 men can do it in how many days? 16 days, right? The data is 3 men can complete a work in 16 days. Then 16 men can do it in how many days? Okay, this 4 is, I'm converting this capacity of 12 men and 8 women. The total capacity I'm converting into the men capacity. 12 men, I'm taking 12 men as it is. These 8 women I'm converting to men. Here I have a data, 2 women equal to 1 man. If 2 women equal to 1 man, then 8 women should be equal to 4 men. So these 2 women I'm replacing with 4 men. So now my total capacity of 12 men, 8 women has become 16 men. Is that clear? Now you take this data. In the beginning they have mentioned that 3 men can do it in 16 days. I am taking this, 3 men can do it in 16 days. Then 16 men can do it in how many days? We can take the concept of m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Here work is equal. So m1, in the first case we have 3 men and 16 days. m2 16 men, how many days? So this 16, if I take here, it will become divided by 16. 16 gets cancelled. So the time taken should be 3 days. That is answer option C. Is that clear? Right? First thing, you take the comparison of these two. Then you convert one man capacity equal to how many men capacity, or one woman equal to how many men. Then this AND statement, you combine both and convert both to men or both to women. Here I have converted both to men. I'll take second case. If we convert both to women, both to women means let's keep this 8 women as 8 women. Now 12 men equal to how many women? 12 men equal to how many women? I'm replacing this 12 men with women. One man equal to two women, right? One man equal to two women. Then 12 men equal to how many women? 12 men equal to how many women? 24 women. Right? Now my total capacity in terms of women, if I take 24 women plus 8 women, that is 32 women. So the question is, if 6 women, this data, if 6 women can do a job in 16 days, then 32 women can do it in how many days? M1 D1, 6 women into D1, 16 days, then 32 women, how many days? Right? If I take this 32 here, this will be divided by 32, 16 one time, 16 two times, 2 one time, 2 three times. So D is 3. In both the cases, you will get 3 days as the answer. Is this clear? We'll take similar example. Can you try this? 260. Okay. 10 men or 20 boys can make 260 shirts in 20 days, right? So assume this 260 shirts as a work. 260 shirts in 20 days, right? That means 10 men equal to 20 boys, because 10 men capacity, 20 boys capacity is equal, right? And they can make 260 shirts in 20 days. Right now, if 10 men is equal to 20 boys, then 1 man capacity equal to 2 boys capacity. Right? 1 man equal to 2 boys. Now we'll take the combined data: 8 men and 4 boys. 8 men and 4 boys. So if I convert both to men or boys, so 8 men plus, if I take boys in terms of men, 4 boys equal to how many men? 1 man equal to 2 boys. Then 4 boys equal to how many men? 2 men. So together it is 10 men. This is the given data. Given data is 10 men can do a work in 20 days. Then again the question is 10 men. Here M1, D1 are same. Sorry, M1 and M2 are same. M1 and M2 are same. And the question is how many shirts? We are finding work here, right? So M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2. Right. So M1 here number of men is 10 into D1. So in the first case they are taking 20 days divided by work 1 is 260 here. 10 men can make 260 shirts in 20 days. Here 260 is the work, 20 is the days, and 10 is the number of men. This equals to, now in the second case also we got number of men as 10 into, in the question they mentioned how many shirts will be made by these many people in 20 days. Again D2 is also 20 divided by W2. We are finding this W2. Right now M1, M2 are equal, D1, D2 are equal. So we can say that W2 is equal to 260. So work done 2 is also 260. Okay. See, previous two examples and this example, the only difference is their number of days was equal. Andre 18 women and 18 women or 12 men can do it in these many days. Andre number of days equal it. But illi women can do it in 12 days, but these men can do it in 9 days. So in such cases, first you should find the total number of men days and total number of women days. So what is men days? Men days is nothing but number of men into number of days. Alright. So here we can say 18 women can do it in 12 days. That means 18 into 12. How much? 18 into 12. 18 10 times is 180 plus 36. 216 women days work. So in case of men days, 12 men can do it in 9 days. That is 12 9 times 108 men days. So these many women can do the work in 12 days and these many men can do the work in 9 days. These people are finishing the same work, which means 216 women days work and 108 men days work, both are equal. Is this equation clear? So this is the only difference compared to last example. Is this clear? 216 women days equal to 108 men days. Then if I compare one man day is equal to, if I take this 108 this side divided by 108, 108 one time, 108 two times, that is 2 women days work. 2 women days work is nothing but one man's 1 day work is equal to 2 women's 1 day work. That means one man's work is equal to 2 women's work. One man equal to 2 women. Now again M1 D1 concept we have to take and we have to find this. 8 men and 8 women is the question. Let's convert both to men or both to women. 8 men plus 8 women. If I convert both to men, 8 men plus 8 women equal to how many men? 8 women equal to how many men? 1 man equal to 2 women. 2 women equal to 1 man. If 2 women equal to 1 man, 8 women equal to how many men? 8 women equal to 4 men. So I am finding 12 men can do the work in how many days is the question. Right? So if I compare men, if you take men, so this is M1 D1. Here I have men. M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. If it is women, you take this data, 18 women, 12 days. Right? So we have converted everything to men, which means 12 men can do it in 9 days. Again, the question is 12 men can do it in how many days? So this is our M2. Anyway, they are same, but whatever the M2 you get here, you have to take it in the place of M2. Now 12 gets cancelled. So we can say D2 is again 9 days. Yes, 216 women days is equal to 108 men days. Then 2 women days is equal to 1 man day. Right, and then to finish that work, we need 216 women or 108 men. Andre in case namge bari men beku andre we need only 108 men. But if we take women, we need 816 women, which means the capacity of men is more. And we can say 1 man's capacity is equal to 2 women's capacity. If I consider them as women days, same case, if I take them as women, let's keep it as 8 women, then 8 men equal to how many women? 8 men equal to how many women? If I replace this men with women, 16 women. 16 women plus 8 women is equal to 24 women. Right? Now the question is, if I take this data, 18 women can do it in 12 days, then 24 women can do it in how many days? This 24 will be divided by 24, 12 one time, 12 two times, 2 one time, 2 9 times. So number of days required is 9. Any doubt in this? Right. Right, you got the difference, right? Compared to the previous example. In this example, there it was these many men or these many boys, but here it is men and boys and men and boys. Okay? Now take the equation like this: 6 men plus 8 boys can do it in 10 days, right? And 26 men plus 48 boys can do it in only 2 days. Then the time taken by 15 men plus 20 boys to do the same work is how many days, right? So anyway, first thing we do is we convert both men and boys to either boys or men. But before that, we need the comparison, right? We need to find how many men equal to how many boys, right? So using this, I can, right? So how to do this? In these cases, when men and boys are given in both the cases, now you have to convert both of them to 1 day. Right? See, 1 day in the sense, see, I'm converting both the equations. First equation I'll take. 6 men and 8 boys can do it in 10 days. If the same work should be done in 1 day, only 1 day, then how many men and how many boys I require? If 6 men and 8 boys can do it in 10 days, if I want this work to be done in only 1 day, then my men capacity and boys capacity should become 10 times. If I increase the manpower to 10 times, then my work will be done in 1/10 of the days. Is that clear? 10 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ 1 day ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 day ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 10 times ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 men and 80 boys ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ they can do it in only 1 day. Is that clear? Now, or you can convert both to number of men days and number of boy days. 6 men into 10 days is 60 men days. 8 boys into 10 days, 80 boy days, right? And 26 men, 48 boys. If I convert this to 1 day work, if 2 days work, 2 days will complete ago work 1 day nal agbeku andre men power double agbeku. 26 men should become 52 men, 48 boys should become 96 boys. Any doubt in these two equations? Clear with this? Okay. Now 60 men and 80 boys can do it in 1 day. 52 men and 96 boys can also do it in 1 day. In both the cases, the number of days they're taking equal. That means these two capacities are equal, right? 60 men plus 80 boys and 52 men and 96 boys. Both capacities are equal. Now, if I take boys one side, 96 boys minus, if I take this 80 boys this side, that will be 16 boys. 60 men minus 52 men is 8 men. 8 men equal to 16 boys. So 1 man capacity equal to 2 boys capacity. Is that clear? Okay. Now you do the same thing. 15 men, 20 boys. Let's convert into number of boys or number of men. 15 men equal to how many boys? 30 boys plus 20 boys. Together it is 50 boys. 50 boys can do the work in how many days, right? So in the previous example, directly number of boy days and number of men days was given. But here we don't know how many boys can do it in how many days. Now in one of these equation, first you convert boys to men, men to boys. Right? I'll take the first case. If for example, if I take the first case, 6 men equal to how many boys? Sorry, it should be 20 boys, right? And if I take the 6 men equal to 12 boys. This example I'm taking 12 boys plus we have 8 boys. They can do it in 10 days. So 12 boys plus 8 boys is 20 boys. Right? Now the data is 20 boys can do it in 10 days. Then 50 boys can do it in how many days? M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Right? 0, 0 we can cancel. 5 one time, 5 4 times. So D2 is 4 days. That is answer option B. Any doubt in this? Yes. Okay. So first what we should take is, we should take this equation 6 men, 8 boys, they can do it in 10 days. 26 men, 48 boys, they can do it in 2 days. Okay. Now let's convert both works to 1 day. If this work is done in 10 days and I want it to be done in only 1 day, then my manpower should be increased. See, it's just about division or multiplication. Now, if I reduce the number of days, then number of men should be increased. They're inversely proportional. So increase means this 10 we should multiply this side. So 10 6 times is 60, 10 8 times is 80, which means 60 men or 80 boys can do it in 1 day. And in the second case, 2 days, if I convert to 1 day, then my manpower should be increased to double. 26 men will become 52 men, 48 men will become 96, double of that. In 2 I am multiplying this 2 here. Right? Now, if these capacity and these capacity both are doing it in 1 day, means these two are equal. I'm taking 60 men and 80 boys equal to 52 men and 96 boys. If I take men and boys one side, 96 boys minus 80 boys will be 16 boys. 60 men minus 52 men is 80 men, 8 men. So 8 men equal to 16 boys, 1 man equal to 2 boys. Now coming to the question, in the question they mentioned 15 men and 20 boys can do it in how many days? Now either you convert both to boys or men. Now I am taking this in terms of boys only. 20 boys I am keeping as it is 20 boys. 15 men I am converting to 30 men. Right? Sorry, 30 boys. Now total number of boys has become 50. Means now my question is 50 boys can do the work in how many days? Right. So 50 boys can do it in how many days? If I take M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, first I should find how many boys are working in the first case. Here I don't have individual data of boys. I have a combined data of boys and men. Now in this equation, one of these two, you can take any one of these two. Either you take the first equation or the second equation. Here I'm using the first equation. In the first equation, I'm converting both to boys because here I'm taking boys. Right? The question also I converted to 50 boys. Now if I convert the first equation to boys, then 6 men will be equal to 12 boys and 8 boys as it is 8 boys. So 12 boys plus 8 boys is 20 boys. 20 boys can do it in 10 days as per the data given in the question. They can do it in 10 days. Now I am using this. If 20 boys can do it in 10 days, M1 D1, 50 boys can do it in how many days? M2, we are finding D2. M1 D1, 20 boys can do it in 10 days, 50 boys can do it in how many days? So if I take this 50 this side divided by 50 agate, 0 0 we can cancel, 5 one time, 5 4 times. So D2 is 4. Clear, I hope. We'll go to next question. Okay, this is a similar example. Any answers? We got one answer. Answer option B. Right. 3 men and 2 women. 3 men plus 2 women can do it in 15 days. And 2 men and 3 women can do it in 18 days. Right? Let's convert into 1 day. If I take this in 1 day, I have to multiply 15 here. Then 45 men, 30 women can do it in 1 day. Or 18 if I multiply here, 36 men plus 18 3 times is 54 women can do it in 1 day. Right? Now these two are equal. So we can take 45 men plus 30 women is equal to 36 men plus 54 women. Now if I take men and women one side, 36 men if I take this side, that will be 9 men equal to 30 this side will be 24 women. Correct. 9 men, 24 women. Okay, so let's take 1 man is equal to 24 by 9 women, or 3 8 times 3 3 times 8 by 3 women. Right, now we'll take the question. 1 man plus 1 woman can do it in how many days? Let's convert both into women or men. Right, if I take 1 man equal to 8 by 3 women, so 8 by 3 women plus 1 woman is equal to how much? 8 by 3 plus 1, 3 one time is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11 by 3 women. Right, 11 by 3 women can do it in how many days is my question. So in these one of these two statements, let's convert both to women. Right. I'll take this 3 men equal to 1 man equal to 8 by 3 women. So 3 men equal to 3 into 8 by 3 women plus 2 women can do it in 15 days. 3 times gets cancelled. 8 women plus 2 women, 10 women. So 10 women can do it in 15 days. Then 11 by 3 women can do it in how many days is the question. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. If I take this 11 by 3 this side, then 10 into 15 into 3 by 11, right? So 150 into 3 is 450. 450 by 11. See, all the answer options are in mixed fraction. If I take it as 11, 4 times 44, right? 1 is remainder, 10. Now 10 cannot be divided by 11. We'll take a 0 and we'll take the next digit. Since there is no digit, we are done with the calculation. 11 40 times is 440. 10 is remainder divided by 11. So 40 10 by 11, that is answer option C. Any doubt in this example? Right, so practice all these questions.